In a very, very old. Normally we stay in old buildings, so many all the ceilings are painted. There's antiques in them. I love it. I love it. If you're coming to Verona, yeah. And if I it's nice. We do it because it's necessary for us to show our products. I need to.